What is going on, everyone? Greatest Hits here. I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be replacing the strut mounts on my car to keep the rear hatch lifted up and not falling down on me whenever I'm doing something in the trunk or taking something out. It is holding up pretty well for right now, but every now and then it'll kind of fail and, you know, slam back down. These strut mounts right here, I bought these from Hawks Motorsports. These are dipped carbon fiber. These are not actual carbon fiber because that would be a lot more expensive. But these are $65, and I just wanted something a little bit more flashy, but not too flashy. So, but they look pretty good. I don't know exactly what these rubber things are for, but I might get rid of them. I don't know, but that's what it looks like. And that's the hole there, and that little clip right there, you need a small flat tip screwdriver to pry that open and put it on there. So all you need for this install is a small flat tip screwdriver, a ratchet, and a 45 Torx bit socket. The bolt is located right here. Now what you want to do is take off one at a time. Obviously you can take both of them off at the same time, but you're gonna need something to prop this trunk up to keep it, you know, to keep it open. I'm just gonna pull this back and start loosening it up, and hopefully it doesn't fall on me because I really don't have much to I really don't have anything to keep this upward. All right, raise it up some more. So basically, I was hoping I can get around that speaker cover, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know what it's called, but it's part of the speakers that go to this that I took out as well. But I had to take that out so I can get the strut mounts on. So success, and I'll show you guys that in a minute once I get done putting everything else back together. Alright guys, it looks pretty dang good. It looks freaking good on both sides. So let me pop open this trunk and see what it does. Wow, that popped up really well. Wow, that's phenomenal.